I can't believe they did it. The United States released the drone footage of the Russian jet crashing into the drone over the Black Sea. Let me break this down for you. Let me show you the footage first. Check this out. Now, if you aren't aware, Russia doubled down and said we had nothing to do with this. They admitted to scrambling their jets and intercepting the drone, but they said that drone pilot has no idea what he's doing. He made a sharp maneuver and crashed his drone. The craziest part about that whole video is how close that fighter jet got to the drone and was spraying fuel all over the drone. Like, what did you expect would happen? Now, I'm going to be honest, I think the United States still lost in the end. Like, literally, they lost a drone, but I think Russia wins all of this. Russia has absolutely nothing to lose in this story. What, we don't trust them anymore? At the end of the day, Russia knew this story sounded so crazy, who's gonna believe it? And even if they did show the drone footage, now the US just exposed where they are operating. And I am well aware you can look up publicly what the United States is doing, where they are flying. Like, this is public knowledge. But for the general person, did you really know you can look up where a drone is flying over the Black Sea? Also, do not forget, Russia has a law in place stating that if you say anything bad about their military or if you discredit their military, you are going to jail. So even if they are in the wrong, they're not in the wrong. I hope this doesn't sound like I'm supporting Russia. I'm just trying to really put things into perspective, and I want you guys to realize releasing this drone footage does nothing to hurt Russia, but it does a little more to hurt the United States. At the end of the day, the United States, we are the one who lost the drone. We are the ones who now had to say, yeah, we're operating over the Black Sea, we're releasing drones towards your area, and look, now people are going to point all the eyes in that direction. That's why I was just not in favor of releasing the footage. So what do we do from here? Without a doubt, we know that this was Russia's fault. Do we put them in a war crimes trial? Is anything really going to happen from this? Now, unfortunately, I see this just being a best-worst case scenario. Best case scenario, this wasn't a real person. Thankfully, it was a drone. Worst case scenario, Russia verified liars. Russia verified they're not our friends anymore. Without a doubt, the United States will try to leverage this in a way to discredit Russia, more so than they are. Like, all of the countries that Russia is trying to be allies with, be friends with, everybody look at this footage, can you really trust them? But what you need to understand, and it's really hard from a Western's perspective to realize this, Russia picks and chooses who they want to be friends with based on the fact if that government controls all their people. So this footage means nothing to Russia. Nothing at all. They will continue to do what they do.